everybody, it's the celery juice challenge. All right, 7 days of celery juice will change your life. All right, right here, this is how you do it. Celery juice, I'm telling you, this is the most profound juice that will change your life. All right, join me. 7 days of juicing celery juice every day, every morning on an empty stomach. All right, so I'm gonna be juicing celery every single day. We're gonna do 1 head of celery every single day for 7 days, every morning on an empty stomach, okay? Right now it's about 8:30, getting up, starting my day, already had my yoga practice, had my meditation in, and it's time to get the celery juice in, all right? So join me for 7 days of celery juice, all right? This is great for energy. We all know about Medical Medium by now, right? If you haven't, you need to check out Anthony William, the Medical Medium. This man is amazing. I've been following him for years, okay? This celery juice is so profound. I'm gonna make the celery juice. It's really simple right here with this Omega juicer. You can use a blender. If you have a blender, that works great as well. We're gonna get right into the juicing, 7 days a week. And I'm gonna talk about my benefits, you know, the results from what it's done to me and what it can do for you, all right? So let's do it. Day 7 is finally here. Cheers, everybody. You know, I've been really enjoying this. You know, someone like myself who is used to juicing, I absolutely love celery juice. And I just want to, you know, encourage you guys to drink this every single morning. Join the 7-day challenge, okay? I know this is an acquired taste, all right? In the beginning, it's gonna be uncomfortable. You have to restructure your taste buds, okay? This celery juice will change your life, all right? Oh yeah, see, in the beginning, it can be tough. If you're dehydrated, if you have a heavy toxic load, this is gonna be uncomfortable, but I promise you will feel better after 7 days, okay? The only way out is through. Make sure it's cold too, guys. That really helps you. All right. For those of you that don't know about Medical Medium, let's jump on the computer real quick. I want to talk to you guys about the amazing benefits of this celery juice. Come on. All right, everybody. Just wanted to jump on the computer real quick. Let's talk celery juice benefits, all right? This has been blowing up for a long time now. I'm telling you, this juice will change your life, okay? Let's get information directly from the Medical Medium website, okay? The biggest thing, okay, make sure you drink at least 16 ounces of celery juice daily on an empty stomach, okay? That is the most important thing right here. This is huge for inflammation, okay? We all battle inflammation every single day. Okay, it's perfect for reversing inflammation, okay? This is a daily practice, okay? The celery mineral salts is what's changing your body, okay? The pH is getting structured in your body from the mineral salts in the celery, okay? The thing is, the mineral salts haven't even been discovered yet by modern science. That's why medical medium is so awesome, okay? If you have any type of autoimmune disease or anything, celery juice will change your life. I really can't, you know, underestimate this enough, guys. I have been drinking celery juice for a long time, and it has completely healed my digestion, and I really want to encourage you guys to drink more celery juice. If you have any pH issues, if you're suffering from acidosis, if you have low energy, anything, celery juice will change your life, okay? And again, guys, I really want to encourage you guys to do this for 7 days, okay? It's one of those things where if you just do it for one day, yeah, you're going to feel good, but you got to keep up with this, right? 7 days is the magic number. You're going to start feeling benefits right away, but the thing is, the only way out is through, right? So if you have some discomfort in your bowels, if you're going to the bathroom a lot, and things like that, I promise that will get better, all right? You need to just keep with this, and your digestion will improve, the mental clarity will come back, I promise, if you just stick with the celery juice, all right? Anthony William is your man. Check out his blog, check out his, Instagram. He's all over social media. This man is amazing, okay? And thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to hit that like button, click subscribe, and I'll check you later. Much love.